Hey. Hello, train. Wow. There is a train. Dang, look at all those cars. It stretches all the way down there. Oh look, some little tank cars. Or some little, not tank cars, tankers. Where are all these containers going? Oh! Did you hear that sound that the wheels made? Oh, there's a middle locomotive. It's an SD70. Dang, there are a lot of Amazon Prime cars. They're containers. I think they're containers. Jeez, how long is the train? Okay, I think the end of the train is coming. I can see it down there. Oh! There's another one?
Doesn't look like it's moving.
Maybe we should head down there.
Sure we can. Let's wait, just wait a second. Let's see if it actually is moving.
It looks like it is.
It does. It looks like it's going real slow.
Yeah.